Freeman Health officials announced they will take over the emergency room and operate a 10-person inpatient hospital in Fort Scott, Kansas. This is KOAM News at noon. I'm Elise Noe. The news comes after the hospitals have struggled to open and stay open. We're going to go straight to KOAM's Anthony Saviello, who's in Fort Scott. Anthony, what can you tell us about this announcement and Freeman's plan to successfully operate in the city?
Yeah, thanks, Elise. Like you said, I'm right outside of the emergency facility here in Fort Scott, Kansas, where CEO of Freeman Health, Paula Baker, just announced that Freeman will be exploring and actually establishing a residency here at this facility that you see behind me. What used to be Ascension Via Christie's emergency room, Freeman will now be taking it over. So this is obviously a huge announcement for the people of Fort Scott who have been without emergency care since the end of calendar year 2023. They have not had permanent medical facilities really since Mercy left a few years ago. Now the plan for Freeman is that they are taking over the management of the emergency facility, as well as, like you said, they will also be providing 10 inpatient hospital beds for the people of Fort Scott. Now the big question, when is this going to happen? As of right now, the plan is to be fully established within this facility by April 1st, 2025. There are a few legal steps that Freeman has to go through and licensures that needs to be established. But despite the fact that it's going to take a little bit of time, the people that I talked to here in Fort Scott after the announcement was made were just ecstatic. I can't describe it other than pure joy coming from the people here in Fort Scott who have been without immediate accessible care for quite a while, and they no longer have to rely on having to be transported miles away just to get the care that they need. So it's going to be really good for the people of Fort Scott, and it's going to be a great establishment. We're looking forward to it, and it's a developing story, so we'll keep everyone updated as it goes on. Elise?
Hopefully they can get the care that they need, Anthony. Thanks.